Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video. In this video I will present you a couple of crafts that I have created for my little fall series, and I think it turned out very cute and very affordable. So if you would like to know what I have made, please continue watching. For this project I used my old wreath form, and this has been in my possession for quite some times. I know they have quite similars at Dollar Tree. Then I picked up that wooden arrow pointy placard, I guess, from the Dollar Tree, and all the flowers are from the Dollar Tree as well, along with the little pumpkins for decoration. So I did not spend lots for this wreath, but it's kind of a little joke for me, and I thought it would be cute using my Cricut for the sign. But as I told you guys before, you don't have to have a Cricut to use it. I measured my sign where I want to place it on top of the wreath, and it was a little bit too long, so I used my little saw, portable saw that I got, and made a perfect to fit on my wreath. So then I used my little sand sponge to sand it down so the rough edges before I painted it black, because my sign would be white, so I want a good contrast. And then I took off everything from the back of the sign, painted it, and then waited for it to dry. Okay, so while my sign was drying, I took off all the flowers from the original bouquet, and I also took off the leaves as well, because I was hot gluing them to my wreath form, and I wanted not just flowers, I wanted kind of a little bit of greenery there. So the leaves that came with the flowers were just perfect. And the way I glued my flowers, I did it like a halfway, like a moon shape, and then I used the set of decorated pumpkins that I showed you in the beginning from the Dollar Tree. I just used only two at the top and at the bottom, and I thought it turned out pretty cute. And then after that, I added my Cricut sign. You don't have to have a Cricut. You can just use any printables that you can get on the internet. If you don't have a printer to print and you have some stencils, you know, like your Walmart or even the Dollar Tree has a real cool letters that I picked up the last time. So you can just use the stencils and with your little paint over it, and it will be as good as my Cricut. So then after I was done placing everything how I wanted and my sign was all ready, I used my Mod Podge over the sign, because the wreath is hanging outside my front door as a joke, and I get a lot of chuckles when people coming over. So, but you know, we don't have a lot of people at this point, but I do have some male people coming in. They think they love it. So Okay, so for this project we'll need a Dollar Tree mop, a Dollar Tree pumpkin, and some decorated maple leaves. So this project is super easy and super fun, and we actually did a mop challenge. It is on my Instagram if you guys want to check it out. It was amazing and it's fun to make it. So what I did, I removed the top of the pumpkin and then I painted it with I think it's the chocolate one, a color from my chalk paint, Beverly chalk paint. And that's pretty much all I did to that top. Then I took my mop apart and I literally cut it. When I pulled the strings off of it, I literally cut it right in the middle. So after I got all my mop situated, I was hot gluing it from the top and all the way around to the bottom of the center of the pumpkin. So I went all that with my hot glue all the way around the whole pumpkin, and it took me, that whole one mop was enough to do this decoration. I also purchased, if you guys noticed, my pink finger protector that was suggested by my lovely friend Gail J. I won't reveal her last name, but she said the Dollar Tree had it, and I don't know, had never noticed, but I did this time. Thank you, Gail. I really appreciate it. Now I'm trying not to burn myself and not to forget to put my finger protectors on. But anyway, so this is what I am doing. I am putting my mop strings around my whole pumpkin. Okay, so when I was done putting my mop strings around the pumpkin, it took me a little while because it was a little bit tedious work. Then I got, excuse me, 4 green leaves out of my maple leaf pack from the Dollar Tree. And then I got 3 more, but a little bit like a fall colors, so to add it to the contrast. And my little top was dry, so I glued it to the top as well, and I think it turned out really cute and affordable. I can't believe it how my husband could not guess that it was mop strings from the mop that turned out the pumpkin in this cute farmhouse style. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a like. And also, if you're one of my new people, don't forget to let me know in the comments below so I can welcome you to my little family. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I'll see you in the next one real soon. Bye for now.